to Speak Thai right now with me, Kruu Gift. This video, we will talk about age and how old are you. First thing that you need to know about Thai culture, when it's come to age topic, it means that you can ask Thai people about their age. That's fine. Like in some culture, it's quite rude when you ask somebody how old are you. But in Thai, this is okay. And actually, it's good when we know the person that we talk to, we know about their age, because we can show the respect or we can just treat them properly. Let's say, can you guess about my age? Maybe somebody gonna think that I'm 20, I'm 25 years old, but actually no. Okay, I'm gonna tell you later how old I am, right? So somebody may think, okay, I'm quite a young woman. And when they know about my real age, and then they will be surprised, and then they will treat me differently, okay? So you can ask Thai people about their age, like how old are you? That's okay. Then we're gonna learn about this in this video, okay? Age in Thai is อายุ And when you want to ask someone about how old are you, remember the word you in Thai is คุณ คุณ means you. What about question word? เท่าไหร่ means how much, how many. And when we use with the word อายุ so it's become how old are you? Okay? When we put them together in Thai, we can say like this. คุณอายุเท่าไหร่ คุณอายุเท่าไหร่ And don't forget to add polite particle. ค่ะ for female and ครับ for male. So for example, I'm gonna ask you, how old are you? คุณอายุเท่าไหร่คะ คุณอายุเท่าไหร่คะ How about the answer? So you need to give your answer, right? When someone asks you how old are you, or when you ask somebody how old are you, and then that person gonna answer you in Thai. This is what you need to know. For female, I would say ฉันอายุ and then followed by your age, and then end with the word ปี ปี means years old in this sentence. Actually, ปี means year. Okay? So when I want to say I am 35 years old, I would say ฉันอายุ35 ปีค่ะ ฉันอายุ 35 ปีค่ะ What about male speaker? That person is 40 years old. You can say like this. ผมอายุ 40 ปีครับ ผมอายุ 40 ปีครับ Don't forget, subject first, and then the word means age, อายุ, and then your age, number, and then polite particle. ฉันอายุ 35 ปีค่ะ ผมอายุ 40 ปีครับ ครูกิฟต์อายุ 35 ปีค่ะ แล้วคุณล่ะคะอายุเท่าไหร่ Leave in the comment and see you in the next video ค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ Bye.
If you have your Facebook account, like our page. If you're more likely on YouTube, subscribe our channel. If you want to hear our tweeting sound, go for Twitter. And if you're on all of them, let us be all around you.